Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most exciting and essential products for your everyday needs. In today's video, we'll explore the top 9 must-have tools and gadgets for every enthusiast. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 9. This is your ultimate tool for precise alignments in construction and DIY projects. With a plus 1/8-inch self-leveling accuracy, you can achieve flawless results every time. It features a horizontal line projection of 33 feet and a vertical line of 16.5 feet, making it versatile for various tasks. The robust ABS TPR rubber handle ensures durability, while the IP54 protection rating keeps it resistant to dust and water. Plus, with over 20 hours of battery life, it's perfect for extended use on the job. Number 8. This versatile cutter is made with high-quality SK5 carbon steel, ensuring sharp and durable performance. It features adjustable angles from 45 to 135 degrees, allowing for precise cuts on various materials like plastic pipes, rubber gaskets, and molding. The included 10 replacement blades ensure long-lasting utility. Remember, this tool is designed for lightweight materials, so avoid cutting wood or metal. Number 7. This glue is a game changer for electrical safety and protection. It bonds quickly and securely, providing superior insulation against shocks and environmental factors like moisture and temperature changes. Non-flammable and non-toxic, it's safe to use and leaves no residue. Its long-lasting formulation ensures that your projects remain secure for years. Number 6. This compact solar generator is the ultimate portable power solution. With a capacity of 320 watt-hours and a 300-watt output, it's ideal for camping, hunting, and emergencies. The Life PO4 battery supports fast charging with PD 100-watt compatibility, ensuring your devices are powered up quickly. Whether it's a family trip or a sudden power outage, this power station has you covered. Number 5. A perfect tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. This magnifying glass comes with 5 interchangeable lenses, ranging from 1.0x to 3.5x magnification. Designed with comfort in mind, it features a nose bridge wrapped in rubber for a snug fit and the option to switch between glasses legs and a headband for stability. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, it offers prolonged use, making it ideal for reading, crafting, and repairs. Number 4. Engineered for precision, this nailer features a 3-gear strength adjustment to meet various construction requirements. Its industrial-grade spring ensures durability and strong elasticity. The automatic slag discharge hole adds convenience, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use. Perfect for fast and efficient wall fastening tasks. Number 3. This is the ultimate survival tool set, equipped with a shovel, pickaxe, axe, knife, fork, serrated knife, whistle, and luminous ring. Made from robust carbon steel and 3CR13 stainless steel, it's designed for rugged outdoor conditions. The compact and portable design fits easily into any backpack, making it ideal for camping and backcountry adventures. Plus, the built-in compass and flashlight provide added safety and utility. Number 2. This mini hot plate is a must-have for anyone working with PCBs and LED strips. It provides even heat distribution for soldering and desoldering tasks, ensuring a seamless repair process. Compact and portable, this device is perfect for precision work and professional applications. Number 1. This innovative gardening tool makes picking nuts, fruits, and even small balls effortless. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy and nylon, it's both durable and lightweight. Its rolling mesh storage ball design allows for efficient collection without damaging the produce. Whether you're harvesting walnuts, chestnuts, or even tennis balls, this multifunctional tool is an incredible time saver. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.